What's up? So we're gonna start the video off today with a little unboxing. So we're gonna get right into it real quick. So the other day, yesterday, I picked up something for the FRS. If you know this box, you know what I got. Little instructions. You can kind of see them already. Ooh. Let me set the camera. There they go. Woo! So these are, if you can read it, if it'll focus, I don't know if you can see that. These are Valenti RC editions. I picked these up local. I was gonna order some offline, but they're like $320 offline. I actually got these for a really good deal. So I'm not gonna install these until I get the car wide body V3 on there, and then I get it painted, because I don't want any paint to get on those taillights, on these taillights. So it's gonna be a while before you see these on the car, but they're brand new, never installed. Picked them up local for a good price. If you guys have any, if I find some aftermarket, some Spec D headlights in the area, I'll pick those up also. But these taillights, these aren't my favorite ones. My favorite ones are the all red. These have chrome lights in the middle. They're still really nice though. I like the red accent. I like that. I actually like this a little bit, but my favorite one's the whole entire taillight red. But these things are nice. These are not sequential, so they don't light up one at a time across in the blinker. They light up all at the same time. But that's okay, because I mean, they're brand new taillights, and the stock ones I have in my car now have water in them. I don't know how stock taillights get water in them. But yeah, these are the Valentis that will be on the car later. If you guys stay tuned, you guys will see the progress of the car. You guys will see me install these. But for now, this is just a quick unboxing. I'm going to go head over to Austin's house, and we're going to finish working on the wide body kit. Alright guys, I am so sorry, but yesterday, me and Austin started the V3 kit. It was so late, I couldn't get my camera. I forgot to grab it. But all we did was the front fenders, so that's all we did. But that's okay, because we're gonna work on the rears and the side skirts today. But turn the wheel straight. I mean, my fucking wheel is tucking so bad. I mean, I have to get bigger wheels ASAP. Like, it's ridiculous. But today we're gonna work on, like I said, that rear panel and that side skirt. So hopefully we should get these done today. It's gonna be wide, guys. It's gonna be really wide. Jesus. Alright, we'll catch you back when we start the install. Alright, so I'm gonna start taking off this old body kit. Let me see where I can get a good angle. Start taking these off. You can pick these up from Ace Hardware. These are basically just well nuts, rubber well nuts. They work really good. Alright, so the side skirt, because it curls in like this, it has to match up with this front fender along with that. So on your fender, unlike the Rocket Bunny 1 and 2, these side skirts are different, as you can tell. So because it curls in, I'm gonna have to chop more of my fender off at the bottom than was cut off. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. It's gonna be a pretty big chunk, so I'm not really gonna mark it off or anything. I pretty much know how much needs to come off. But you don't want to cut too far back, because you still want to leave a spot for a rivet right here. That way it's still, you can still rivet that one on. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut this. slit right here just so this can slide in there. Alright, so I think I got the side skirt where I want it to be, so we're gonna go ahead and drill the holes through it. I'm just gonna put rivets in it for today, or I might go back and put the nice hardware in it, but we're gonna start drilling the holes. When you guys rivet something, make sure you're careful when it pops because it can fly off and nick your paint. I've done it before. It ain't the best thing in the world to do. We're gonna test fit the rear too,
so we don't get ahead of ourselves.
Side skirt fender is on temporarily. Fitment is good. I'm surprised. Well, not the fitment of like wheels, but the fitment of the kit. I had a dent right here actually, and this thing actually covered it up, so I'm actually happy about that. That's smooth. Goes down. I'm gonna rivet this back on, and then it should line up with that. Whew. Alright, I'm gonna rivet these on. I'm not gonna show you that because they're just rivets. I'm gonna show that on, then I'll show you this side. Alright guys, so one side is on. Woo. Ooh, look at that. That wheel fitment, which ain't great at all. This side's a little better. So V2 kit, no side skirt, V3 front. Tire V3. Hey man, that's a nice car. But I'm gonna connect that, and I'm gonna connect that when I get time. Oh, real quick, I'm not going to show you this part because I showed you on the other side. We're just going to remove this panel, take that piece off, and we're going to mock everything up, and then we'll show you drilling it on and riveted it on. Catch you in a second. Garbage? Not garbage. Garbage?
Some Momo. No, it's NRG.
Wait, you got the hub and the quick release?
No, it's just
oh,
just, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, easy.
How much that cost?
About $600, you know what I'm saying? About $600. You know, limited edition.
Is that leather?
No, it's feather. Fake leather.
Oh, feather. Okay.
Leather.
I was thinking plastic and leather. I don't know how you say that, but.
Fake leather.
So we're gonna drill the holes in the kit first this time, try and, I guess, speed this side up, even though this side only took like 20-30 minutes. So we're gonna try and get this side on faster, but still do it the same and do it right. We're not rushing, we are taking our time, trust me. All right, we'll mount this up, we'll show you.
history, yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy when we're in too deep. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain.
We got the rears on and the side skirts. Just finished up at Austin's house. Just got back home. It looks awesome. So stay tuned, guys. We're not done with this. This is just, I guess you could say, part 1 or part 2. We still need to do the wings, both wings, and the rear diffuser. But this is the kit. I need some better fitment still because I still got a big gap, and as you can see, my wheels do not poke at all because I have a little camber. But it looks awesome, guys. So stay tuned to our channel. Keep an eye out for us. The kit is almost done. We will keep you posted, and please stay tuned. This is going to be a sick build. Once it gets painted, once the wings are on, once everything's taken care of, this car is going to be spectacular. I want to be on a magazine one day. I don't know if it's going to be this car or what, but in the future, that's my plans. I want to have my car shown all over the world, you know. Alright guys, peace out. Thanks for tuning in. That ends it for this one. We'll see you in the next one.